Looking for a dependable Ethernet cable that keeps your internet fast and your connections solid? The CAT6 Ethernet patch cable is designed to handle everything from standard LAN setups to high-speed gigabit networks without missing a beat. Whether you're streaming 4K video, diving into multiplayer gaming, or managing business data, this cable delivers the speed and clarity you need. What makes this cable stand out? It features RJ45 plugs with 50-micron gold-plated connectors, ensuring a clear, uninterrupted signal every time. Inside, 4 twisted pairs of stranded copper wires work together to prevent crosstalk and interference, so your connection stays crisp and reliable. Plus, the snagless design protects the cable from cracking or breaking, making it tough enough for everyday use in busy environments. I've tested this cable myself, and it lives up to the promise. It's a bit stiff, probably because of the snagless build, but that stiffness means durability. It's easy to plug in and stays secure without worrying about damage. For anyone running a 100 base T or gigabit network, this cable is a straightforward upgrade that enhances your internet experience, whether at home or in a small to medium-sized business. If you want a high-performance network cable that won't let you down, this CAT6 patch cable is worth a look. It supports frequencies up to 100 MHz, providing the bandwidth needed for data-intensive applications without lag or slowdown. That means smoother video calls, faster downloads, and better overall network performance. Ready to improve your network's speed and reliability? Try this CAT6 Ethernet cable when you're ready to upgrade your connection. It's a simple switch that brings noticeable improvements to your internet setup, making it easier to stay connected and productive no matter what you're doing online.